Hey everyone, Glen Williams here with Homes by Glen and Coldwell Banker MM Parish Realtors. I want to let you know about my open house coming up this Sunday from 12 to 4 p.m. over here in the Estates of Wilds Plantation. This is a beautiful custom pool home built by Warren Homes. It has over 3,600 square feet. It's a 4-bedroom, 4.5 bath. It has a private study and a bonus room. I wanted to show you inside so you can see all the beautiful features this home has to offer. So come on inside, I'm going to show you around. Okay, so here we are in the foyer area. Lots of light coming through here. Nice double doors. You can see here in the great room, really nice wide open room. Beautiful custom wall treatment. Got your fireplace. Really nice tray ceilings with the wood inlay. Nice oversized quartz island. Beautiful modern glass backsplash. Your KitchenAid, stainless steel appliances, wine fridge, nice walk-in pantry. Really nice, wide open from the kitchen, your eating area. Then you got your private study over here, beautiful barn door. Lots of light coming in here. So let's go check out the master bedroom. Oversized master bedroom. Tray ceiling with the wood inlay. Lots of light in this room as well. You have dual walk-in closets. These are done by Top Shelf. Lots of space. Master bathroom. Nice walk-in shower with the frameless glass. Private water closet. You have your freestanding soaker tub. Nice large vanity, double sinks. Lots of light coming through here, very beautiful. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the rest of the house here. Come in from the foyer area and take a left, come through here, and you've actually got your spare bathroom right here. And then down here we have the stop and drop area, your mud room. Leads out to the 3-car garage. Then you have an oversized laundry room. Lots of cabinet space. Granite countertops in here. Plenty of light. And we'll come in here to the spare bedrooms. 10-foot ceilings. Lots of space in these rooms. All the spare bedrooms have their own private bathroom as well. Another spare bedroom over here. This one has a really nice walk-in closet. Really nice walk-in shower. Let me go show you the rest of the spare bedrooms on the other side of the house. Okay, I'm gonna show you the other bedroom over here and then the bonus room. So again, this house is over 3,600 square feet. It's a beautiful home. There's lots of privacy here. So you got your spare bedroom, walk-in closet. Again, lots of light coming through here. And we got the other bathroom, nice walk-in shower. And then the bonus room or the rec room, which technically this could be another bedroom because it does have a closet. Really cool ceiling. Here's your closet space. And then this is going right out to the pool area. So let's go out to the pool area so I can show you around there. So I want to take you back through the kitchen area and the great room to go out to the pool, even though we could get out there from the bonus room. I just want to show you these really nice telescope doors here that open all the way up. And on a nice day outside, this is perfect. So I'm going to open these up just to show you how beautiful it is. Even though on a day like today, it's a little hot outside, you probably wouldn't open them up. But as we're getting into the cooler seasons, this is perfect. So, step back here. And you can just see how this really changes the room by having this completely open. Beautiful covered lanai. Nice outdoor sitting area here. Oversized pool. This is done by Fun State Pools. Just a great waterfall feature here. Got a ledge that you can sit on over there. You've got the outdoor kitchen area. So you got a nice summer kitchen, outdoor fireplace. Back behind you got a really nice green space. As you can see over here, with those doors opening up, how nice it is. This house is great for entertaining. So again, this is on a premium half-acre corner lot. You could take that fence and go all the way around with it if you want to. You have a retention pond area back behind you. The green space. They're developing back there. That's coming up. But you do have a 50-foot buffer behind you. I hope you enjoyed the tour of this home. Again, the open house is this Sunday from 12 to 4 p.m. over here in the Estates of Wilds Plantation. Also, if you want to find out more information on this home, just click on the link below. And if you're looking for new construction here in Gainesville and you can't make it out this Sunday, then please reach out to me. I would love to help you. Again, this is Glen Williams with Homes by Glen, Coldwell Banker MM Parish Realtors. I hope you have a great day.